Hello, this is a short video on how to create a linear scale question. Now, one of my biggest hints is to kind of have this all planned out on a piece of paper, written down what your adjustable scale is going to and what it's going to represent before you get started. It just makes things a little bit easier when it gets time to start typing in the questions. All right, so I've already got this form started. I've got my identifier question section in, and now I'm going to start adding questions for my presentation. So I'm going to add a question, and the type of question I want to ask is a linear scale question. So I'll click on that from the pull-down menu, and then you notice there's three pieces to a linear scale question. There's, of course, the question you're going to ask. There's a scale or adjustable scale on how you're going to rate the answer. And you notice that you have some choices. You don't just have to go 1 through 5. You can go 1 through 10 if you really think people can drill down to their feelings and know the difference between a 6 and a 7. I'm just going to leave mine at 5. And then you're going to tell them what the range of those scale means. So like for this one, since I want to know, let's put a question in so we can see what we're doing. All right, so we're going to rate their understanding of the relationship between social media and peer pressure. I'm going to leave the scale 1 to 5. Their understanding is either going to be, let's see, none on the low end for 1, and they're going to fully understand for number 5. Okay, and there's the components of my linear scale question. Let's take a look and see what that looks like in the form. So I'll click on my preview button. And I'll just go put some placeholder responses for the identifier questions so we can get to see what the linear scale question looks like. And there you have it. You have your question in here. They're going to rate how they're understanding, how they feel they understand that relationship. And you're going to tell them what these numbers represent. And that's all there is to creating a linear scale question. I hope that answers your questions.